Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1 tablespoon of water. These basic components are all you need to create delicious, fresh pasta from scratch. This simple recipe yields enough pasta for about 4 servings, perfect for a family meal or a cozy dinner for 2. Next, we will mix and knead our dough. Create a mound with your flour on a clean surface, then form a well in the center. Carefully crack the 2 eggs and pour the 1 tablespoon of water into this well. Gradually incorporate the flour from the sides, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough vigorously for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. After kneading, it is crucial to let your dough rest. Wrap it tightly and allow it to sit for 30 minutes at room temperature. This relaxes the gluten. Then, divide the dough into manageable portions and roll each piece very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Finally, cut your pasta into your preferred shapes, like classic fettuccine or delicate spaghetti strands. The final step is cooking your delicious fresh pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your freshly cut pasta to the boiling water. Because it is fresh, it cooks very quickly, typically in just 2 to 4 minutes, until it reaches a perfect al dente texture. Drain and serve immediately with your favorite sauce for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.